In this video, we will look at how to get around Spotfire interface using the latest Spotfire version. The Files and Data flyout is your entry point. Use recent section to quickly resume work or search the entire ecosystem for specific assets via the top search bar. Select Browse Local File for flat files like Excel or CSV. The Connect to option provides high-performance access to cloud warehouses and databases, supporting massive in-database analysis without exhausting local memory. Access governed assets in the library, or use Other to paste data from your clipboard and link existing tables in your analysis. Finally, explore demos for structural inspiration and add-ons browser to instantly install community-driven visualizations and action mods. The Data and Analysis flyout is the central hub for managing your columns. You can use the top drop-down to switch between data tables or search for specific fields instantly. Selecting a column and clicking the gear icon opens the Integrated Details sidebar. This allows for real-time editing of column properties, formatting, and metadata. The recommendations engine sits at the top of the flyout, automatically suggesting the best visualization types based on the column you selected. Right-click on any column for rapid data wrangling, including renaming, deleting, or transforming values without navigating through complex menus. Finally, the filter icon next to each column provides an immediate access to data subsets with a summary of all active filters displayed at the bottom of the flyout. You can clear all active filters with the arrow button. The Visualization Types flyout lists all available charts. Simply drag and drop any icon, including add-on visualizations, directly on the canvas to instantly build your analysis. The Analytics tool flyout provides one-click access to more advanced features. From here, you can trigger data relationships, use k-means clustering, or manage shared data functions. The Actions flyout is where you trigger your action mods. Use this menu to send data to external applications or run custom automated workflows directly from your analysis. The Data Canvas provides a visual map of your data's journey. Each node represents a step in the workflow from the initial source on the left to the final data table used in your analysis on the right. Click any node to see an auditable log of changes or to edit transformations. The Information tab provides instant alerts for data issues, ensuring your pipeline is transparent and error-free. The Data tab shows you a preview of your data. The page navigation bar allows for rapid movement across your analysis. Right-click any tab to manage page layouts, export views, or change the navigation style to a top-level menu. The status bar provides an instant data summary displaying the total row and column counts for your active selection. At the top right, use the Mode toggle to switch between editing and viewing. This allows for a real-time preview of the consumer experience, ensuring your layout is optimized for end users. The Spotfire search bar is the fastest way to navigate. Type natural language queries to create visualizations, find specific data, or jump directly to any menu settings. The Properties gear icon opens the settings for your active visualization. Use this panel to deeply customize axes, colors, and sorting without losing sight of your data. The Filter panel provides a global view of all data subsets. Use the search at the top to find specific fields and the reset arrow to refresh all visible filters instantly. The bookmark icon captures the exact state of your analysis. Use it to save, update, or apply specific combinations of filters and markings shared by your team. Finally, the chat icon opens a collaborative thread. Here, you can discuss insights and apply bookmarks directly from the conversations to see exactly what others are seeing. The bell icon tracks the progress of background scripts and data functions, providing real-time alerts on system status and analysis health. The undo and redo buttons provide unlimited history, allowing you to fiercely explore and instantly reverse any actions in your analysis. The User tab gives you quick access to your account details and server administration, while the Help menu links you directly to context-sensitive documentation and the Spotfire community. The Tools menu is the gateway to Spotfire's advanced analytics engine. Here you can register data functions, allowing you to power your analysis with custom Python or R scripts. This menu also provides a comprehensive suite of statistical tools and statistical modeling capabilities. You can perform everything from k-means to complex regression and classification modeling. You can also find automation services for scheduled routines and developer tools for those building custom extensions or using the Spotfire API. The View menu manages your workspace environment. You can toggle visibility for specific panels like data tags, lists, or the web page pane to bring external web content directly into your application. Starting in version 14.6, the Visualization Properties panel can be launched directly from the View menu. This creates a persistent, dockable sidebar for active chart, allowing for continuous styling and configuration as you work. One of the most powerful new features is the integrated search bar within the Properties panel. Instead of hunting through tabs, simply type property like legend or color to jump directly to those settings. The visualization menu is where you control the look and feel of your entire analysis. From here, you can apply global themes to switch between light, dark, or custom branding in a single click. You can also manage your canvas layout from here. You can lock visualizations in place to prevent accidental moving, or use the Arrange tools to perfectly align multiple charts for professional finish. Moving to the Data menu, this is your command center for table management. It provides deep control over data table properties, allowing to set caching preferences and refresh schedules. This is also where you perform structural changes. You can add data transformations or calculated columns. You can also reload your data sources, access the information designer to create and manage information links, and access data function properties. The Manage Data connection allow you to manage live links to cloud warehouses and databases. The Edit menu manages the interactive logic of your project. Use it to configure markings for cross-chart highlighting and filter schemes to create independent data views. The File menu handles the lifecycle of your analysis. From here, you can save your work directly to the Spotfire library for secure organization-wide access. When it's time to share, use export tools to generate high-resolution PDFs or images, ensuring your applications are presentation ready in seconds. The Document Properties option is essential. You can see the URL where the analysis is saved in the library, control markings, add and manage filtering schemes, add stored values as document properties, and if you have permission, you can access API scripting. Each visualization features a quick access menu. You can use the property gear to dive into specific settings, or toggle the legend icon to instantly clear up space on your canvas. The Showed High Controls icon allows you to clean up the chart's interface, hiding or revealing access selectors and headers for a more streamlined look. You can also maximize the visualization to bring a single chart into full screen focus for deep dive analysis, and click it again to return to your normal application layout. Finally, the close icon removes the visualization from the page entirely when it's no longer needed in your analysis.